Sometimes you need to connect to a different application to get the data and send it to the chat. The API node allows you to connect with external services. You can specify the endpoint of the external service you want to communicate with. Let's create an API node and test it. Simply click on API on the left and drag it onto your canvas. Connect your response node to your API node. Now let's type an external link in the request URL section. I'm going to paste a link from the Guinness World Records website and later validate the API by testing it with a question. Make sure your request mode is set to GET. Now let's test our API node using Sandbox. As you see, our chatbot used an external API to answer the question. API nodes enable you to send and receive data seamlessly between Botstacks and external services, facilitating actions like creating bookings or accessing information from third-party platforms.